Alright, so here with the skipper, Malachi Douglas. You know, entering another schoolboy football season. First of all, congrats on winning last year and congrats on a win today. How are you doing?
I'm fine actually. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. So you guys had a good performance today. Better first half than second half. What happened? What caused the fall off?
Well, it's our first game, and we might be fit but not much fit as yet. So tempo slow down, but we'll go again and we're gonna work on that for sure.
I want to talk to you about your team. You guys retained a lot of players from last year. A lot of standout players, Green, Hull. A lot of the players that did well last year and made it in the All-Star team. Talk to me about some of the players that left, and can this team replicate what you guys did last year?
Well, first of all, last year players that are not here with us now, they were very, very important players to us. But this year also, we have a very good bunch of players. So here we go again.
Alright, and what can we expect from CC for the rest of the season?
We will make the football talk.
I think you can win again at that more here.
I'm always confident for sure.
Alright, there we are from Malachi Douglas, standout midfielder in the Da Costa Cup. Respect.